How to close account on Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can close your account on Coinbase. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you'd like to close your account on Coinbase, just go to coinbase.com and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Then to delete your account, click the profile icon from the top right hand side. Go to the option called manage your profile, as you can find it over here. Once you go to the option called manage your profile, on the next page you're going to be able to set different type of information, where you just need to scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll find a button that says close account, and here it says closing your account can't be undone. Please make sure your account balance is $0 before you begin. So once you've done that, click on the close account button on the right hand side. Make sure to enter your Coinbase account password here, and then lastly all you need to do is click on the close account button here, and then your Coinbase account will be successfully closed. This way you can close your Coinbase account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.